Very good evening. As I told you that we have to practice regularly. We have to practice speaking. Okay, today Saurik and Sojono they are watching IPL match between MI and CSK. Okay, Saurik, let me ask you some questions. Saurik, do you watch IPL?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so can you tell me what is the full form of IPL? Do you know this? Indian Premier League. Okay, say with me.
Indian Premier League.
League. Okay. So, which is your favorite team?
CSK.
CSK. Okay. So, what is the full form of CSK?
Chennai Super King.
Okay. And who is your favorite batsman?
Dhoni.
Dhoni. MS Dhoni.
Yes.
Yes, very nice. So, can you tell me who is your best bowler?
Bumrah.
Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah.
Yes.
You like him? Okay. So, can you tell me that for which team does he play? Jasprit Bumrah. Do you know? He plays for Mumbai Indians. Okay, you speak with me. He plays for Mumbai Indians.
He plays for Mumbai Indians.
Okay. Okay, so let's enjoy the match. Okay, now the game is on and CSK and they are batting now. They are fielding and MI means Mumbai Indians are batting. Okay, so you know, do you love cricket? Yes, say yes.
Yes, sir.
I love cricket.
I love cricket.
Okay, I love English. Say
I love English.
English. I love English.
I love English.
Okay, love English. English, I love you.
Love is English love.